Whenever you look at a behavior and you say that they are purposeful, you really got to check yourself at the door. Because now, what have you done? You've taken it personally. You've allowed it to get under your skin. Even if it's an adult out there on the highway, you've allowed it to get under your skin, and now it's about you, not about the skill deficit. And that's when we go and say, but they are deliberately doing this. Maybe they are, who knows? But why in the world would somebody deliberately misbehave? Why? Yeah, because there's a function behind the behavior. Always and always is a function behind it. And if I don't have skills, I will use what works for me.